screw. So you're gonna, like this, you're gonna position your feet like that, and your arms like this, like you're boxing, but not like this, but like this. So if you juggle 13 times, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So if you juggle for 20 times, all you gotta do is, wait. So all you gotta do is, you're gonna drink water, but that's not in the step. You're just gonna drink water for 1 cup, but I drink my water. So I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Subscribe and comment down below if your hiccups has gone. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.